How to liquify an image in Canva. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will choose an image from the Elements tab on the left side, but you can also upload your own. I have a photo of a car prepared here, which I'm going to choose. And now you want to make sure you select your picture and you want to go to the top left corner where it says Edit Image. When you click on that, you want to scroll all the way down until you see Liquify, and then you're going to click on See All. Now you can see all the different Liquify options you have available, like Shake, Flow, Smear, Smudge, Melt, Whirl, Spin, and Wobble. Now if you want to adjust the effect itself, you press on the effect again, and now you see the different options, like the amount of wobble in this case and the size of the wobble. And that's how you liquify an image in Canva. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.